Hey everyone. So, my dad's GMC Yukon right here. Yeah, we kind of scratched it up after we hit one of the railings of the garage door. Hold on, let me show it. So we're gonna turn off the light as well. Right here. I'm not sure if this part right here was like that when I moved in, but I'm pretty sure it got damaged or something. It's also dawn or no, it's actually sunset or something. So anyways, the Yukon's kind of going through a little rough condition or something. But probably in the future, like earlier today, I asked my dad if I could have it for my future car, and he said, yeah, sure. Might do some changes on this car once I'm an adult. But the Hummer's doing in good condition. We've been driving in the snow lately. Since there was a couple like storms, like snowstorms going on lately. Now we're gonna close the door. Oh yeah, I forgot that I actually put something to block it while we were getting groceries out. I'm gonna take that out real quick. Alright, that should do the trick. Alright, now we're gonna close it. The furnace is doing good. Sorry, is that there's a fire truck in the background. I'm not sure if you can hear it. But the furnace is still doing good. The inducer motors, like, apparently the blower comes on first. And then the inducer motor. Water that fire truck. But anyways, that will be like the end of the video. Ezzie2nd block guy, over and out. That fire truck is very close.